character of the story is Rafi. He lives in a small village near a river. The best friend. Okay, so you say the best friend of Rafi or Rafi's best friend is. So you have to choose. Which one do you like? The best friend of Rafi. Yeah? Of Rafi is Bima. Yes. Or you can say Rafi's best friend is Bima. We have two ways. In the you cannot say all that. You say every morning, but not in the every. It's every morning or in the morning. Okay, so you have to choose again.